I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to disable biometric login on Public 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the main menu and select the Settings option. This is where you can manage all your account preferences. Step 2. Go to Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. This section contains all the options related to your login methods. Step 3. Select Biometric Login. Within the Security menu, look for the Biometric Login option. This will show you the current status of your biometric settings. Step 4. Disable Biometric Login. Tap on the toggle next to Enable Biometric Login to turn it off. You might see a confirmation prompt asking if you really want to disable it. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you accidentally disable biometric login and can't remember your password, you may have to go through the account recovery process. I hope this helps you manage your login preferences easily.